the most generous celebrities who use their wealth for good. In a world where fame and fortune can easily lead to extravagance and excess, a few celebrities stand out for choosing a different path using their wealth, power, and influence to make a real difference. These generous stars go beyond just signing checks. They build schools, fund life-saving research, rescue communities, and fight injustice on a global scale. Let's dive into the inspiring stories of some of the most generous celebrities who are using their wealth for good and, most importantly, how they've been giving back recently. But before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. Now, let's get started. Number 12. Rihanna, music queen with a humanitarian heart. Let's begin with someone who's become a global icon not just for her music, but also her humanitarian work. Rihanna. While she's known for topping the charts, Rihanna has also topped lists for generosity. Through her Clara Lionel Foundation, named after her grandparents, she has consistently supported global education, emergency response programs, and climate justice. In 2023 and 2024, her foundation donated millions to aid relief efforts in regions struck by natural disasters, such as Haiti and parts of West Africa. But her generosity doesn't stop there. In Barbados, her home country, she's funded scholarship programs and supported local hospitals by donating ventilators and medical supplies during the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 11. Keanu Reeves, the quiet giver. Next up is Keanu Reeves, the internet's favorite good guy, and for good reason. Over the years, Reeves has quietly donated millions of dollars to children's hospitals and cancer research, inspired by his sister's long battle with leukemia. What's most admirable? He rarely talks about it. In 2023, he quietly contributed $5 million to children's health initiatives in Los Angeles, helping fund new cancer treatment technologies. He's also known for sharing the profits from his films, giving millions from The Matrix earnings to crew members, stunt performers, and special effects teams. Number 10. Taylor Swift, touring the world, feeding the hungry. Taylor Swift might be dominating music charts with her record-breaking Eras tour, but she's also making headlines for her acts of generosity. During her 2023 to 2024 tour, she reportedly handed out over $55 million in bonuses to her crew, including drivers, caterers, dancers, and technicians. But that's not all. Swift has donated to food banks in every city her tour visited. From the Arizona Food Bank Network to the Seattle Food Bank, she's been quietly feeding thousands of families. She's also a vocal supporter of education and LGBT+ rights. Number 9. Dwayne Johnson, powerlifting communities. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is not just Hollywood's highest-paid actor, he's also one of the most giving. In 2023, he made headlines by helping striking Hollywood actors and writers by donating a 7-figure sum to the SAG-AFTRA Foundation to support workers affected by the industry shutdown. He also co-founded the Dwayne Johnson Rock Foundation, which supports terminally ill children and at-risk youth. His recent work includes rebuilding playgrounds in underfunded neighborhoods and providing scholarships for young athletes. Number 8. Oprah Winfrey, a lifetime of giving back. Oprah Winfrey, a longtime philanthropist, continues to touch millions. In 2023, she co-launched the People's Fund of Maui with Dwayne Johnson, pledging $10 million to support families devastated by the wildfires in Hawaii. Oprah also donated land and housing to help displaced families rebuild. Her Leadership Academy for Girls in South Africa remains a beacon of hope for young women, producing future leaders, doctors, and activists. Number 7. Angelina Jolie, style meets social justice. Angelina Jolie is not just a Hollywood A-lister, she's also one of the most impactful humanitarians in the entertainment world. Jolie has donated tens of millions to global causes, from refugee aid to children's education. Recently, she launched Atelier Jolie, a fashion brand that employs refugee artisans and displaced individuals. She's also invested heavily in legal aid for refugees and victims of abuse, continuing her work with the United Nations and her new Foundation for Justice in Conflict Zones. Number 6. Leonardo DiCaprio, saving the planet $1 at a time. Leonardo DiCaprio, while known for his Oscar-winning performances, has poured his wealth into environmental causes. The Leonardo DiCaprio Foundation has donated over $100 million to protect endangered wildlife, preserve oceans, and combat climate change. In 2023, he gave another $10 million to Amazon rainforest conservation efforts and supported indigenous communities fighting illegal deforestation. Number 5. Chance the Rapper, uplifting Chicago one child at a time. Chance the Rapper deserves major applause for what he's done for his hometown of Chicago. In recent years, Chance donated over $2 million to Chicago public schools, funding arts education programs and mental health services. He also co-founded Social Works, a nonprofit dedicated to empowering youth through music and community development. In 2024, he launched a citywide mental wellness campaign targeting underserved communities. Number 4. Shakira, dancing her way into education reform. Shakira, the global pop sensation, has long been a fierce advocate for children's education. Through her Barefoot Foundation, she's built schools in some of Colombia's poorest regions. In 2023, she opened another school in Cartagena and committed to expanding education projects across Latin America. She's also helped lead global conversations around early childhood development at the United Nations and World Bank. Number 3. Mackenzie Scott, billionaire with a giving mission. Mackenzie Scott, ex-wife of Jeff Bezos, has become one of the most generous private donors in history. Since her divorce, she's given away over $16 billion to more than 1,600 organizations with no strings attached. In 2023 and 2024 alone, she donated billions to causes supporting women's rights, LGBTQ+ communities, and rural development in developing nations. Number 2. BTS, love and healing through music and action. BTS, the K-pop sensation, are also champions of social causes. In partnership with UNICEF, BTS launched the Love Myself campaign, raising over $7 million to end violence against children and teens. Individually, members support education, cancer treatment, and global relief efforts. Their influence goes beyond music into activism and care. Number 1. Selena Gomez, leading the mental health movement. Selena Gomez is making waves with her philanthropy. In 2023, she launched the Rare Impact Fund, aiming to raise $100 million over the next decade for mental health services. In 2024, she expanded it to fund school counselors and teen wellness programs. Her openness about her own struggles adds strength to the cause. When wealth meets responsibility. All these celebrities remind us that fame can be used as a powerful tool, not for vanity, but for victory over the world's biggest problems. Whether it's funding schools, championing mental health, protecting the planet, or rebuilding after disasters, these stars are showing what generosity really looks like in action. The power of the message. What makes their giving so powerful is not just the money, it's the message. That no matter how rich or famous you are, you still have a responsibility to lift others up. These celebrities could be living in golden bubbles. Instead, they choose to be boots on the ground, hearts on their sleeves, and hands always reaching out to those in need. You can make a difference too. So, if these stars can use their spotlight for something bigger than themselves, maybe we can too. Whether it's donating to a cause you care about, volunteering a few hours of your week, or simply spreading awareness, generosity isn't about how much you have. It's about how much you give from the heart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful stories of kindness, inspiration, and celebrity impact. Your support helps us shine a light on those who are making the world a better place. See you in the next one.